snake.
I'm a snake.
All right, Elliot.
Ready, steady, go.
Go.
All right, welcome back to the workout of the week. This week's a little different. No kettlebells. We're doing the snow day challenge. There's two exercises we're going to do. Here are your rules. It's a 1 set, max effort, pistol squat. The other one, if you can't do a pistol squat, is a regular body weight squat. I just want 1 set. You get to go until you're done, then you got to stop.
Are you pretending this is the workout?
Yeah, I'm pretending it's a workout. Okay, so here's the deal. Every pistol squat is 1 point. Every body weight regular squat is 1/3 of a point. So it takes 3 squats to equal 1 pistol squat.
Mom.
All right, I'm gonna go. We ready?
Mom, you pretend to be Eric and I pretend to be Ariel.
1,
2, 3,
2,
4,
3,
3, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7, 8,
7,
9,
8,
8,
9,
Stop counting.
10,
Oh.
Mom, stop.
11.
Hang on.
Let him keep going.
Are you tired?
12,
Whew. A couple more.
17,
13,
11, 12, 13, 14,
14,
Whew.
14.
Whew.
15,
Oh, man. I'm hurting.
16,
Mom, stop counting.
Whew. 16's the record. Let me know what you got.
Did you fall?